our channel. It's nice to see you again. My name is Faith.
And my name is Michael, and I'm focusing.
And we are the Stalwart lovers. Yes, and if you're new here, please subscribe on that red subscribe button. You know, like this video, comment, and share with your loved ones. Yeah. So
Yeah, it's our anniversary vlog.
Yeah, so today is our anniversary day. Actually,
I'm sure you have seen the video. And if you've not seen it, check on the link.
Yes,
On our 1 year anniversary has been like 1 year marriage.
Has been like.
But right now we're just taking you along on how we're spending our anniversary.
Yes. So we are going to a hotel. You are going to find out the hotel when we get there. Yes. And we are just driving there, Sha. I mean,
you know us, we're enjoyment ministers, so we like to have fun.
Yeah. In our little ways.
In our
own little ways. Alright guys, so catch you later. Yeah, so let's just take you around on our room tour for this place. So this is the bathroom.
Tonight.
Yeah, for tonight. This is the bathroom and all the things: conditioner, shampoo, body wash, body lotion, blah blah blah.
Hey guys, are they here?
I know people don't have interest in this corner. So
Yeah.
everything is just so nice.
So this is one of my favorites. I
Yeah,
always
the
love the bathroom because I know guess for house.
I love it. So, yeah, so this is the room.
It's a mirror.
Plus mirrors.
And this is
then
the wardrobe.
in there. Oh, they even have an iron.
Iron.
Babe.
Even an ironing slab.
Awesome.
Okay, this is one of the best hotels I've been.
Definitely going to iron.
Okay, what else?
Yes, so this is the sleeping area. The room, the bed,
I have no words.
where the action is going to be happening.
I don't understand what you're saying. People have said that we are not making them born again. So we need to reduce all these things.
Action is going to go down.
It's important that action will not go down.
Yes, so this is a marble top desk and a chair. I mean, if you want to do some work.
I didn't bring work, oh. I did not bring work.
Yeah.
My laptop is at home.
Babe, look at this. I really like this frame. I don't know if there are real leaves in there. I feel there are real dried leaves in there.
Yeah, most likely they are. In fact, they are.
They are.
It's a real dried leaf. Wow. And I like this mirror. It makes it look like there's something in there.
Yeah.
Whereas it's just a mirror.
What mirrors do to you? Babe, the drama is plenty.
I like this bouncing.
Yeah, I know you like the bouncing. You will like the bouncing.
Please don't judge me.
Don't judge me, no.
These pillows look like there's water inside.
Really?
Ha! Oh my lord. So guys, we're at the pool. Yeah. And we're about to go swim now. Let me show you guys some of my swimming skills, you know.
Swimming skills.
Maybe I'll teach you some things. Yeah. I tried to jump out. I got kicked in the nuts. I think this training session is over.
showing his skills, showing himself. Huh? You like showing yourself?
Was I showing myself? Actually, to be
So
honest,
guys, it's been a while we actually swam
in fact,
together.
I'm not actually like a professional swimmer like that.
But
Just
you like showing yourself.
I can do some acrobatics, you know.
You just like, you know how to show yourself.
But very soon, I'll get a professional swimming lesson.
Yeah, so peace out.
I think I'm done here.
Yeah, guys, I think we are done. I mean, we swam, we've seen water. Now I have to go and clean my ears and mop my ears. Get my ears rid of every form of water.
Babe, what's next for today?
Yeah, so we're going to the Chinese restaurant for our anniversary dinner. Like dinner. Somebody said dinner. Dinner. Well, not that kind of dinner. You know, there's dinner and then there's dinner. You know.
It's not. It's not married people dinner.
It's not that type.
It's dinner.
Just normal dinner.
It's the.
Like. Yeah. So guys. Yeah. Say goodbye to them.
Let's say goodbye. I want to show them that I can.
Actually wanted to, okay guys, so let me just say it out loud.
What's that?
I actually wanted to prank you.
That
That was
you are
drowning. But I could not get myself to do it.
How can you drown in a 4 feet?
Yeah, that's the thing. Like, I don't even have the mind to go to a place where it can be believable that I drowned. Do you get that kind of thing?
Yeah, if you had gone to where I went to now.
Like, I don't even
That place
have
is like 7 feet.
Yeah, I don't even have the mind. So I'm just like, okay.
Let me show you guys that I can tread water. Even if it is for 30 seconds. I've actually tread water for like a minute before. But this fat body has not exercised in a long time. Okay guys, let me show you how to tread water, okay? There are 3 types of professional water treading.
Oh, really?
Even though I'm an amateur.
You're not doing tutorial.
Which kind of tutorial? I just hope I don't drown here. I can't drown. So this is egg beater, right? Just check it out. This is egg beater.
Okay.
You beat your leg, and then you go like this.
Okay.
Alright, see, I'm moving back because I'm not so good at it. Alright? The first one I learned was this one. You move like this.
As if you're running on the water.
As if you're running, yeah. But I'm not so good at that either. Then there's the frog one. You just keep doing like this, and then you stay. But man, if you're not fit, you try this. After a minute, your legs start paining you, and your head's gonna drown. Guys, we eat the same thing every time we
Guys, see, maybe next time.
Varieties for God's sake.
Maybe next time. I don't know. I don't want to have like a bad experience with food on my anniversary. Like, guys, do you get me? Do you guys get me?
And let's try Chinese noodles, Chinese fish.
I know. I've always wanted to try it, but maybe another time. Maybe sometime, some other time. Maybe some other time. Guys, I can't. I don't know. Please don't judge me, okay? I'm very.
Fear of the unknown.
Once I've picked something and I like it, especially not these intercontinental dishes, I just eat.
But there are so many dishes you can try.
I know, right?
We're going to Thailand.
Okay, well, alright, guys. When the food comes, we'll come back.
are here.
What we came here for.
These dumplings is what I hear.
So we just finished devouring this food, this rice and chicken sauce.
I'm already full,
As in, but
but
we
I'm
have
having
this.
these dumplings. I
Can you
came
see
for
this
them.
team? Can you see this team?
I came for them.
They are going next. They are going
They are
down
the reason why
next.
we are here. Because last time we came here, they gave us about 2-2. Because it's about like, okay, 2-2.
Was it 2 or 1?
We had 2-2.
Okay, 2, okay.
But it was so sweet. I said, I'm coming back. Today we bought 4-4.
Alright, guys.
Anyway, that's how it's going.
Yes. Just
We came here for this. Just take one.
should I say for you?
Say for me. Brethren, shall we? Baby, you look perfect tonight.
That's it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. More romantic, more renegade to me. Baby, you know shimmy. Right past my belly button. Glory goes some cold. Everybody else, ọ̀rọ̀ ìfẹ́ láyé bí àdánù irú ọmọ tí mo fẹ́ ọmọ mi lára rẹ̀ bèbí orúkọ mi yìí mo bá ẹlẹ́wà mú fẹ́ bá ẹ jábọ̀ fẹ́ bá ẹ jábọ̀ ìwọ ni mo fẹ́ máa jírí lójoojúmọ́ ayé mi ọlọ́run sísá bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀ lè tẹ̀ mí.
That's it.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
How you doing? So we're going to the gym now,
Yes, so
and
it's about, I don't know, what's the time?
it's about past 7, just
Past
a few
7.
minutes past 7.
Yeah.
So, see you there.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
What are we doing?
we are jogging.
What are we doing?
We are. Oh, that's something. Who go tire?
You go tired.
Prop I want to. Prop I.
1, 2.
Prop I.
1, 2.
Prop I. Prop I. Prop I.
Guys, me, I don't even understand this, my husband. He had just been snapping himself since. Eh? Snapping himself, kissing his muscles.
That's not
This is self-adoration. Self-adoration. Eh?
Vainglory.
Vainglory.
Vain. Vanity.
Yes. You need to desist from all these
Let me
vain
enjoy
things.
my vanity. Oh.
Excuse me. Atilo Atide.
And you're
Yes, so.
delay.
As we have come and we
Small
have come.
workout, I'm
We
already
have gone
feeling
and we have
fit.
come.
It's like
As
for the
in-
rest of the year, I
I'll be
don't
coming
need
here.
to work out again.
Me, it's like for the rest of the year I should be working out.
But man, it feels good to work out with legit.
Proper equipment.
Yeah, because we do work out from home,
Mm.
but we don't have any equipment basically. We just do
home
stretches,
workouts.
leg raises, and all that. But this one was a nice gym experience,
Yeah, it was.
and I really feel good.
Yeah. I feel
How about
good.
you?
I do. I feel good. I feel like.
How are you guys enjoying our
enjoy
vlog so far?
Happy?
Drop a comment in the comment section.
Yes,
I know this
sir.
vlog is gonna be a long one,
Yeah.
but you're gonna watch it because you love us.
Yeah.
Because we have so many things, we can't keep everything away from you.
Happy?
We're going to have a bath now,
Yeah.
and then we'll go
straight
take
for breakfast.
breakfast. That breakfast, I'm going to eat because I'm hungry, and it's buffet. You know, I don't joke with buffet, oh,
Yeah, so,
you know. But I feel really good. I feel like my body is so sporty, except my stomach. That's the Judas that betrays me. Every part of my body is like, mwah. But that belly, eh?
Alright,
I don't know what to
guys.
do about it.
See you guys.
All right, see you
later.
guys later at the breakfast at the restaurant. was an amazing time.
Yeah, it was refreshing, amazing.
Served my soul with a little bit of luxury.
Abby, and we are on our way to our next location. You think we are done yet? Did you think we are done?
We're not done yet.
We are not done yet. See you later.
But this is like the biggest shot.
Yeah. That's why I just want to chill and stuff. Yeah. See you guys later.
Okay, my name is Obinna Ezobid and I'm a skate coach per se. So the only evil boy in Skate City, Maryland Mall. So I'm gonna be taking you guys on skates.
Fantastic.
Enjoy.
All right.
Father. Yeah. Oh, bolle. This is it. Hey. I want that.
guys, it's been a long day. But then we're just like, yeah, let's end the vlog here. So I'm sure you've seen all the fun, all the skating and hoverboarding, snooker.
We also went to see a movie though.
Yeah, we saw a movie. Yeah,
For
we
the
saw a
first
movie. We
time
couldn't film that.
since I've been going to cinema, I slept off in the middle of a movie. I'm not going to mention the name of the movie so that
I
it
said
will
look like bad review. But man, I actually quite enjoyed it. It was a bit intriguing. I mean, like, yeah,
like
I actually enjoyed the movie,
50-50.
but you, I don't even know. Maybe we were already
I
tired.
slept off. Well, it was after one hot shawarma, so it's like maybe my brain was shutting my body down to
As
process.
in, like your body usually does that actually.
No,
So-
everybody's body does that. Anyway, guys, that is how we spent our anniversary. We hope you enjoyed this video. I'm
Yes,
sure this video is a little bit longer than our usual.
Yeah,
But if you watch it up to this point,
like you guys,
you're really our OG, right?
and we are here for you guys. Like
You're
it's
really
you
our
people we
G.
are here for.
Yes. Thank you for supporting what we're doing.
Yes,
God bless you.
Yeah, and thank you for the wishes, the prayers, the love, the everything. We appreciate you.
We
guys.
appreciate you.
We
And
appreciate
see
you.
you in our next video.
Video.
So till we come your way again,
Keep loving.
and keep believing.
We are
The Stalwart Lovers.
Let's be going to our house.
Let's be going on.